In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a program in Wine, that is the Windows program compatibility layer for Ubuntu, and that means you can just run Windows programs. And so right here I've downloaded a zip file of DVD shrink, and that is a DVD ripper. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it, and you see the file here, and I will extract it to the desktop. And it extracted. So now I can right click this and open with Wine Windows Program Loader. Maybe I'll try again. And with Wine Windows Program Loader. And for sometimes I've heard that sometimes right clicking doesn't work. And so you go down here to Wine, and I got Wine from Add and Remove Programs. Okay. Oh, here it goes. Okay. So here it says, welcome to the DVD shrink setup wizard. Now it's just going to open up the Windows setup wizard, and opened up too because I did it twice. Yes. Okay. So you're just going to go ahead and install it. I accept the agreement. And you will install it to C program files, DVD shrink, and that's where Wine keeps these. And DVD shrink. And don't create a desktop icon. And then install it, and it will install. And don't launch it. Okay, finish. Now you can delete these two, or if you want to keep them, then go to Wine, Programs, and it'll be here, DVD shrink, and then you have your installed program. You can do this with any program, and so it's fairly simple, but in case you didn't get it, then I hope this helped you through your problems with installing programs on Wine. Look, if you want to see how to use DVD shrink, just watch my next video.